It's that time again. Morning. And it's that place again. The Kyle family vlog. I don't know why I just tried to flip the camera around and then decided, oh, I should have kept it where it was. Hi guys. It's not morning, but it is that place again. I am eating ice cream with a fork. It's good. It's lovely today. Showcased by my cat. It's like 6 o'clock. We went to church. We came back. Sean fell asleep on the couch. I, as usual, am holding down the fort, continuing to catch up on editing and publishing. But it is such a lovely day outside, I think I need to take the dog outside. And this little squiggly dude looks like he has some energy that he would like to get out. So I'll take him too. Yeah, you can come with me. Hi, Hecky. Yep, that's what's currently going on. Right, now I told you, and that's called vlogging. You can do it. Say, Mom. 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 You can do it! Is that funny? Is that so funny? Kachu, kachu, kachu. Fine, don't do it. Okay, there, I did something. I published episode 140. Now I am doing what you see I am doing, sitting here. It's very nice to do nothing. I like to do nothing. Most of the time I have too many things to do nothing. In fact, right now I still have too many things to do nothing, but it's Sunday, so I'm going to ignore them temporarily. Because that's how Sunday works. We just chill. Well, we are officially out on our walk. It's a very slow walk. Hectate. Too far. Heck is with us. And right now we're going up the super steep hill. I might actually just go walk the track for a while. That sounds kind of relaxing. Sean's not with us because he fell asleep on the couch. He's been having a hard time sleeping lately, so when he falls asleep I usually just leave him. And then a wild ponyta appears. Oh, good. It's always good to see this type of sign when I'm out on my evening walk. Wow. Well, well, well. Natty found a little conditioning spot for training. See, Sean and I never looked at the back side. I've been here before, so. Oh, my muscles already hurt from what will conspire here. Well, hello, Sleeping Beauty. If you liked it, subscribe. If you liked it, thumbs up. If you liked it, comment.